Mina no Nihongo N4 Lesson 33 Part 1 Imperative and Prohibitive Form 1. Nigemasu To run away, escape. Dorobo wa keisatsu kara nigete iru. The thief is running away from the police. 2nd. Sawagimasu To make noise. Sakujutsu no yoru, kyōdai tachi ga sawaide zenzen nemuremasen deshita. My siblings were making a racket yesterday night, so I couldn't sleep well. 3rd. Akiramemasu To give up. Ichido dake shippai shita koto de akirameru na yo. Don't give up just because you failed this time. 4th. Nagemasu To throw. To shu wa isshokenmei. Boru o nageta. The pitcher threw the ball with all his might. 5th. Mamorimasu To follow, obey. Yakusoku o mamoru koto ga taisetsu desu. You should keep your promise. 6. Hajimarimasu To begin or start. Mamo na shiai ga hajimarimasu. The match will commence soon. 7. Shusseki To attend. Watashi wa 3時の会議出席できません. I won't be able to attend the 3 p.m. meeting today. 8. Sutaimasu To convey. 家族のみんなにもよろしくお伝えください. Please give my regards to your family. 9th. 注意 Be careful. 足元に注意してください. Please watch your step. 10th. Hazushimasu To vacate one's place temporarily. 社長は今席を外しているんですが、戻ったらすぐご連絡ください。します。The president is not in his cabin right now. I will contact you soon as he returns. Grammar Point 1. Imperative and prohibitive forms. To create this form for Group 1, change the E column sound before the mass form of the A column sound. Example, kakimasu changes into kake, isogimasu changes into isoge, yomimasu changes into yome, asobimasu changes into asobe. For Group 2, attach ro to the mass form. Tabemasu changes into tabero, nemasu changes into nero. For Group 3, shimasu, shiro, kimasu, koi. Group Grammar Point 2. Uses of imperative and prohibitive form. The imperative form is used when demanding that the listener to perform an action, and prohibitive form is used when demanding that the listener should not a certain action since they are coercive and could be rude. They are rarely used, and if they are generally used by men. 1. By men, man, senior in age or status, to someone who is junior or inferior, or by a parent to their child. Example, hayaku nero, go to sleep immediately. Example 2, okureru na, don't be late. 2nd, among male friends, it is generally used with particle yo to soften the tone. Example 3, amari nomu na yo, don't drink too much. 3rd, when giving instructions to the group of people in a place like a factory during fire, earthquake, or other emergency, when there is no time to be polite, even in such cases, it is generally used by men senior in age or status. Example, elevator o sukau na, don't use the elevator. Example 5, nigero, run. Example 4. When giving demand in group training, a school education lesson, sports activity, etc. Example 6. Yasume at ease. 5. When yelling encouragement at a sports event, women sometimes may use this form in such cases. Example 7. Gambare, come on, you can do it. Example 8. Makiruna, Makiruna, don't lose. 6. On traffic signs and in signals or slogans, when brevity and impact are required. Example 9. Tomare mas, tomare. Stop. Note. Verb mass form nasai is another type of imperative. It is used by a parent to their child or by a teacher to a pupil and sounds softer than the imperative form of the verb. Women use this instead of imperative form of the verb, but this for cannot be used with the superior.